Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to teach you guys on how to get your Samsung back cover right here removed, and most of you guys are just struggling on trying to remove the back cover. It's extremely hard to remove the back cover because Samsung, they use some hot glue at the back and they like taped it out on all these sides right here, and it makes it very hard to remove the back cover. But this video I'm going to teach you guys on how to break open the back cover, because most of the time the back cover is preventing people from trying to maintain your phone, trying to switch the batteries on your phone. And this is a very fast matter on trying to remove the back cover, so you gotta stay tuned for that. But before I start this video, as usual, just like and subscribe and comment below what other videos you want me to see, what other videos you want me to do next. But in that, let's get right into this video. So make sure you guys have the Samsung phone powered off right now. And what you guys are gonna do, you guys are just gonna basically use like some blow dryer or use some hot heat gun, and you just want to heat from this side upwards to downside right here. And you just basically, what you guys are doing is basically just making the heat loosen the glue from the phone and the interior of the phone. So that's what it basically does. There's a lot of physics and math behind this, but you guys are just gonna use the hot glue gun, kind of just glue down from the top to the bottom. You just want to make sure the glue fully get absorbed from the heat, and that's all you guys are gonna do. And after that, you guys are just gonna lay the rest. For mine, what I did was I did not use no blow dryers, I did not use no heat gun. What I did was I just pry open with like a small little prick, and I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys on what to do. So basically there's two methods you guys can do it. You guys can either use a hot glue gun, or you guys can use kind of like a guitar prick. If you guys play guitar, you guys got this pick right here, and basically you can use it to pick the phone. So it's pretty simple to do it, really. So you guys are just gonna find like a spot. So there's a spot in this phone that basically allows you to kind of just make a small incision of it. So what I'll do is I'll take the guitar prick and I'll just prick it like that. And you guys want to watch out because there's glass all over the place, and if you guys get hit by the glass, you guys can actually injure your hand, so you guys want to be careful. But in that, let's try to do it. So as you guys can see, it's quite easy to do it. So you just put the guitar prick and you just start prying open, and you just want to pry slowly. As you can see, I just missed. So that's like when you reach the top part, you guys have like kind of like the thing going up, and you guys may not be able to catch the opening of it. You just want to catch the opening. As you can see, just keep continuing to catch the opening right here. And once you guys have catch the opening from the right side to the left side right here, I'm just trying to open it right now. As you can see, I'm just trying to catch the opening. As you guys can see, once you guys have catch the full opening, you guys can just pop it right out. And because I've done this before, I opened the phone a lot of times, so that's why it's pretty easy to pop up. But for you guys, it's gonna take like at least 10 minutes to open it out. So the moral story, just take your time, you should be able to get it open. So once you guys take it open right here, as you can see, you guys have successfully opened your Samsung back cover right here. It's pretty simple to do it. So what is holding it is because, as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like glue over the place. And what Samsung do is basically they glue the phone down with the cover with adhesive tape, and adhesive glue right here, and they basically just block out your phone, so you're not able to kind of just piece it out really easily. But if I know about this, you guys can actually, as you guys can see, you guys can actually just take out the phone. So it's pretty simple to do it. Anybody can do it. I can do it within 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You guys can probably check the video. It's probably like 4:31 seconds, and it's pretty simple to do it. But a lot of people have commenting below. A lot of people have been commenting on my videos and saying, "Oh, how do I remove the screws that's in there?" You guys want to make sure you guys buy like a kind of like a screw set or something like that. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. So if you guys buy like a toolbox, which I have here, you guys will be able to get the back open really easily. So normally I'll pick like let's see, you see what type of screws they are. they're kind of like star-shaped screws, so you guys want to just look out for star-shaped screws right here. Yeah, I think it's around 1.5 right here. I'm gonna try this one right real quick, and you guys can just gonna put it in the head right here real quick. Alright guys, so once you guys remove the back cover right here real quick, you guys are just gonna basically just buy like a toolbox set or screw set you guys can get from any Amazon page or any online e-commerce page right here. And it's basically 121 toolkit details set right here. You get a bunch of screws, you get a very good head for extraction of screws, so it's pretty good. I'm not sponsored by them, I wish I'm sponsored by them, but you guys are gonna put it away and you guys are just gonna screw it. It's pretty simple to do it. Just find a 00 star screw right here and basically just start screwing the phone. So if you guys want to change batteries, you guys gonna take out the top part first. So there's basically around 3 sections of it. There's a bottom lower half, there's a middle part, and there's a top part. So you guys are just gonna take out the wireless battery part right here, which is the NCS version of it, the NCS wireless charging part. You guys gonna take it out, so I'm gonna take it out real quick. I'm gonna show you guys what's behind it. Once you guys have taken out all the screws right here, once you guys have taken out all the 3 screws right here, you guys are gonna pry this open. It's pretty simple to do it, but you guys have got to pry it open. Once you guys have taken out, you should be able to pop out this pretty easy right here. And basically what it is basically the wireless charger and the contactless payment. So this is pretty much useless but you can just put it aside for now. So once you guys have this, you guys want to just unplug from this small ribbon right here, and yeah, there we go. You guys can take out the battery, but I'm not gonna take out the battery because the reason why I took this out was because I'm trying to fix the green screen, which is gonna be in the next video. So I'm just gonna leave you guys right here. You guys can check out the toolbox. Like I said, it's pretty cool. And this Samsung phone basically has a very good back. They use a lot of glue on the sides, and you guys want to just make sure you guys don't get yourself cut, because I've got myself cut a lot of times because of the glass. And you guys will find it pretty easy to remove the back of the phone. It's pretty simple to do it. It's not really that hard to do it. And yeah, just make sure you guys connect this wire right here at the end. You guys are all set. And if you guys want to change the phone, it's pretty cool to change the phone as well. You guys can do it quite easily. Probably take around 5 minutes to 15 minutes to do it. But if you guys got the necessary tools to get it, such as this screwdriver right here, you can even use a guitar pick to do it. And I use a guitar pick to pry open the phone, and this video is all about trying to open the back of the phone, and it's pretty simple to do it, honestly. And I feel like anybody can do it if they have a guitar pick and enough patience. But like I said, this is a small disclaimer: you guys may cut yourself with the glass, because the glass is extremely sharp and you guys don't want to poke your hand on it. I actually had like a glass stuck on my hand before, and that was pretty painful. So you guys want to make sure you guys are very careful when you guys are trying to open the Samsung phone, because I've known people cut their phone. A lot of times they cut their fingers and they bleed a lot. So you guys want to make sure you guys do not cut your fingers while opening a phone. But in that, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, yo. Stay safe. Okay, there you go. Okay.
Got the mojo deals, we been tripping like the 80s. Pulling out the coupe at the lot.